Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny little haul from Dollar Tree, which I'll probably add this on to the other haul. what I did get this set of stickers, 3D dimensional stickers, 11 pop-up with a little sloth. Got this set of rub-ons, and the other ones look like Tim Hope, but these kind of look like that Victorian kind of look. Let's see if they work. And I hadn't seen these before. They've probably been there. I wasn't looking for them. They had no reason to, but I just happened to see them because I was looking for something else. But they have these loop bags with the little box on the bottom, silver and gold, and they come in a 6-pack. So I thought I'd just keep doing my storage stuff in case you need something like that, or just the bottom piece. For the bag, for the price, you get 6 of each, so wasn't a bad deal for $1. And then I just got this little list pad for work, to-do list, and I did get some more yarn. This is the blue dots for boys, so I got the coordinating one. This is Little Sunshine for the girls, and then this gingham, pink gingham. I like that ribbon. And then I got this love tape washi, and then this little container as well. Nice little container. Put your dyes on while you're on the table, or put anything small. And just some more telly. These were out before when we first got our craft out over a year ago. I didn't get them. They've been out pretty much the whole time, but this was the original brand that they had forever in time. Then they went to Crafts Square, but this Canadian company is what they first started the craft owl with. But anyway, so I got all of these different markers. So you've got, you know, your copper, your blue, your white, and gold and silver. So little, yeah. Anyway, that is in addition to the haul I just got, so I should put this on to the beginning or the end of the other one. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.